Hi there, happy. Oh, we don't have MAKiT in the corner. This is actually quite funny, I would say, considering that we're here today to make it. Hi there, happy. Hi, welcome. How you doing? I'm scared of anything that exists. Cool. Well, I can't do this sober. That's why I have to drink water, mind you. I'm drinking water. YouTube, please do not demonetize me. I need the money. All right. Let's open up blend right way. Ghost MAKiT. No. Well, wait. We already did Ghost MAKiT. We're not gonna repeat ourselves unless someone just asks me to. If someone asks me to, then yeah, I will repeat myself. But no, we're here today to make MAKiT. And also, how about we start some music? There we go. Is that quiet? It feels a bit quiet. Actually, of course, make it visible. Make it. Oh, you mean? Okay, I get it now. I'm a bit slow. I spent the past. Oh, how many hours? Oh my goodness, how many hours was that? Okay, hold on. I woke up around 9. I started working on 10. Right now it's 10 p.m. 12 hours. I spent around 12 hours, non-stop, making a video. Isn't that fun? Isn't that fun? And yesterday, I also spent, I think 14 hours actually was yesterday, because it was fun. I'm done. I am tired and done. And that's why today we're gonna, well, we're not gonna relax on this stream. We're gonna, you'll see. The point is we're here to make a MAKiT. And in order to make a MAKiT, we need to find the file in which we make our MAKiTs, which is called template1. And now we can start streaming template1. There we go. Like this, and then we're gonna call it 465. That's not 465, no. That should be... Did we just overwrite one of the MAKiTs? We told... Oh, I think we overwrote Makita. Damn it, MAKiT, mind your days. Because now what we have to do is we have to go... That's really annoying, because that's a bit of a flip. We might have overrode Makita forever. If we weren't careful. Let's see. Okay, so Makita is gone. I kind of deleted my... Whoops. Whoops. If you make MAKiT Maker, then can the MAKiT Maker make MAKiT Makers? I mean, if a MAKiT could make MAKiTs, how many MAKiTs would it take to make a MAKiT? Hi, the ninja. What more will we get? Oh yeah, we will get a special mod. We'll get MAKiT the hot air balloon. That's what we're gonna get. But how am I gonna make a hot air balloon actually? Trying to get like an actual weave texture? That sounds like a whole lot of work. Fine, I'll do it just because Ali asked me. Yeah, not really asked, that was just the request. I shouldn't call it request because it's most of the time it's me asking them what should I make. Textures. Would you maybe perchance happen to have like a free texture that I could? No anchor resolution, no matching options. No, I just want free. That's my only my only filter. It's no money, please. There are generators. Oh wow. Oh, generators of stuff. Oh, that would be really useful. If I was good enough, I could make them. Oh, hold on, let me check up on the video. I can make a brick one at least. Brick one's pretty simple. Okay, it's 50% uploaded. Now, making the hot air balloon. You know what? I could just do like a mild hot air balloon, and then what we could do is we could like have them make a table like comically supported by two other. But you know what? I think that's funny. I think that's a funny idea. Let's do it. Instead of a traditional hot air balloon, we're gonna make a MAKiT. It's gonna be like supported by a silly looking hot air balloon. There we go. gonna be a silly hot air balloon. Look at this silly goose. What a silly hot air balloon, am I right? Obviously making the shape of a computer. A balloon need fire, be careful. Oh yeah, I'm gonna set make its hair on fire. Trust me, it's gonna work. I hope so at least. I don't know why, but I feel like it should be red. You know what? I like the previous shade of red. There we go. I just feel like it has to be red, you know? It has to be. It only makes sense. Okay, now I need the rope to hold it in place. It's gonna be roped up farm all over again. Also, I'll need to back up the camera a bit to actually get the balloon in frame. This will be tricky. This will be a surprisingly tricky MAKiT to make. But fine, we're not cowards, we can make it happen. See what I did there? Right, let's drop it down a bit. Then we'll take this and we'll give it a nice silver texture. So lower this, up this, lower this, there we go. And then when it comes to these, we'd like to select every... Oh, why is this here? You know what, okay. Can I select every second? Another route? No, of course! It's always something. You know what, we're just going to move it to the side. There we go. And then what we want is we want to select an inverse, but an inverse of only those, so I wouldn't mind. There we go. Now we can select these as individual and we can just make them smaller. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad, certainly. We're getting somewhere. Now we can just pop it on top of MAKiT like this. And then just attach it to MAKiT. And then just set the hair on fire. And that's gonna work. It's just 50% king stuff, 50% science, and 250% shitpost. That's true, I give it my full 250%. That's what the additional clones are for. You know, considering it's actually 4 different clones, that's actually not that much effort from each one of them, but it sounds good in marketing. Okay, how can I move it to attach it to MAKiT? You know what? We're just back there. We're just going to have like a thing going down. There we go. And this is just gonna go right into MAKiT. There, now MAKiT is attached. Sick! You know what, let's delete the additional stuff. I don't know why it's even there. That's because we're gonna have a semi-sky texture. Like this. There we go. We're just going to have MAKiT float. And then we'll basically copy the balloon and we'll just have like comical balloons on the sides. Really hard in MAKiT Incorporated 1000% because that's why we have 500% copy and 250% denial. I'm not in denial, what do you mean? Boy, that bit never gets old to me. Alright, like this, and then 180, and then we can just pop them on, just down like so. Maybe a bit smaller so they can all fit actually. It looks more like a chair. It does look like a chair more than anything. That's because these balloons suck. For these we actually will need normal balloons. The problem being, normal balloons are not going to be easy to make. It's going to be tricky. It's fine. Because I'm a professional, so it's going to be fine. What I need to do is I need to select the bottommost vertice, enable this, and then just balloon shape it a bit. There we go. I would say that's a balloonish thing. There we go. And then what do we need? So we need a sphere like this, and we're basically gonna pull it up. I really hope this is gonna work. Okay. First object info. Do I have access to random perchance? No, I don't, but I have access to location, which hopefully work. So mesh to volume would be nice, like this, and then distribute points in the volume, then instance on points, and then object info balloonish, which we're going to instance right here, with scale being 0.2, I feel like would be good enough. There, these will be our balloons. I do believe in string theory. I haven't researched enough to actually make up my mind. But it seems clever. Good. What do you mean good? The fact that I haven't researched enough is good? How is that good? Alright, and then attribute. Oh, I don't think I need to have an attribute actually. I'm pretty certain I can just take the balloonish, give it a shader, and in shading, I'm pretty certain we can just go right here and just give it object info random to hue saturation value. Okay, maybe not. Maybe that wouldn't work. Why wouldn't it work? Oh, because you have a different... That makes sense. Okay. There we go. Balloons. How sweet. Hi, Desentry. Of course I remember you. I have like a goldfish memory. I must say that it's wrong, but oh well, hearsay doesn't work in chord. I'm pretty certain hearsay does work in chord, actually. I am pretty certain it very much does work in chord. The problem with string theory is that it's a theory, and that's kind of the only problem. It's really clever, and it's really nice in my opinion. Smooth by... Oh, Smooth by Angle has its own thing. Huh. Actually... It's really nice you can change them around. But now what we'll need also is rotation. And for each one we'll need to take the rotation of the instance. Or rather position of the instance. Position. So take the position. Wait, does that work? Okay, all of them have different positions. Sweet. And then Eula. What was this video about? What are you making? This isn't a video. This is something we do every 10 days where patrons get to decide what the new MAKiT should look like. Are you making new MAKiT to be at the bottom of the... Yeah, precisely. Well, bottom right, but yeah. Align Euler to vector, I think it was. Oh, I really hope it was align Euler to vector. Now we plug into rotation. We should be able to just... Hold on, there's some more. Ah, there's some off. Those mosquitoes, fine. We should be able to get an empty, pop it in right here, like this, and then empty. Location. Okay. Relative? No, empty. Okay, no. Relative, yes. Ah, it's always deprecated. Why you what? I think making a sidetrack from the main mission. No, just let me cook on this, alright? 70% upload, by the way. We're getting there. Okay. I always forget how align Euler works. It was one of the Euler. It was aligned, right? I remember it was one of the Eulers. Or rotate Euler. It might have been. I think it might have been rotate Euler. No, because rotate Euler works for rotation. Which makes even less sense. Ah, it was this one. Must have been. Or like this. Oh yeah, they're not connected, that makes sense. No, this is screwed up. Ah, how does Euler work? I always forget. Fortunately, I did set up Euler once. That one time, for that one video, for that one math video I did months ago. And ever since, I've been just taking that video to get the Euler sample. Oh boy, was linear algebra. There we go. Remember that one video where I made this, and I got these to work? Yeah. Align Euler to vector, where we keep the rotation and just plug in the vector. Except now they're all rotated by 90 degrees. So we need vector math. And we need to add however much we need in order to keep them down. Okay. How about transform geometry and then just rotate? Oh, there's no geometry transform, that's right. It's fine. What a great time to be alive, guys. That is true, yeah. This is a great time to be alive. Okay, now they're all facing away. Kind of, not really. Okay, X. So we want them all rotated by 90. Oh, maybe. Wait, can I do it like this? Like 90 degrees? No. 9 degrees? No. 9 degrees. Negative 90 degrees. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Not quite where we want, however, because this is flipped for some reason. I never got how Euler works, or how it's supposed to work. I almost died there, and I'm sure. What happened, Mr. 8? Have a great day, hope all very too. Well, I am, actually. No, not relative. Do you have to be original? No, you have to be relative. Yeah. This makes sense because well, this makes a lot less sense actually. The effect I basically want to achieve is, oh, how am I gonna do it? I could do it with math, but that would take ages, so really rather not. The effect I basically like to achieve is all of these balloons point to that spot. Which this is a position of each balloon basically, so they are all different, of course. And geometry nodes. What am I doing on the on screen? point one object at another. They look like guitar picks. Yeah, because guitar picks have the same shape as balloons. No, not transferring data. Yes! Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Oh, that's precisely what I'm looking for. How do you do it? You subtract... Okay, so it is math, alright. Align Euler to vector. And then we just subtract... so vector math. You subtract this from this, and then you do this. The y-axis? No, y-axis. Okay. Progress. Transform geometry. 90. No. 90. No. 90. Yes, actually. Actually, yes, in fact. And now we can take this, we can pop this in, we can pop this in right here, and there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We've got geometry nodes which can control... Let's do 1,000, like a crazy lot. Well, no, that's too many balloons. Let's do 500. Is that a manageable number of balloons? Looks like a manageable number of balloons. I can see we can move them at the always point. That. You don't need to read all your chat messages. Oh, I do. First of all, my car in the back seat, I know. So they did I stretch my seat on the maximum and put tangle in the loop. The girl just grabbed my neck. It has this track point. Well, I'm glad you're okay. No, whoops, wrong material. Finish this one. Yep. Message just sent a few minutes ago. Which one? Oh, it's your birthday today. You are right. I missed that one. I feel so awful. I'm so sorry. Happy birthday then. Happy birthday. I forced him to not miss chat messages. Yeah, that was actually a close call. I would have died. This is no joke. I've been cursed by a very mean witch. I was just trying to ask her out, and then one thing leads to another, and I'm cursed. It was actually a pretty awful experience. Okay, these are pretty low poly ropes, but that's only because I don't care enough to make better ones. That's the only reason. There we go. That's so silly. Oh yeah, these balloons do need fire, so we're gonna make its head on fire. And we could actually, I'm actually wondering, can we do it just by bringing up this emission to like 100? This actually could be enough if we give it like a glow. In order to give it a glow, we need to give it a volume. Remove principal volume. Disown me instantly. I mean, it would be pretty awkward to explain, certainly. Why is it so long on the edges? I remember there was like a way to make the volume better. Can I just lower it? Oh, I can. That actually works pretty well. Huh. Yeah, and the hair just... Perfect! Yeah, there we go. That's... Balloon make it. Just comically... Comical balloons. Comical balloon make it. 565. Active. Oh damn it, I said that's wrong 5, didn't I? Yeah, I did. It should be PNG with alpha. And then passive. See ya, Zentrey, have a good one. Yeah, if you shoot negative hydrogen at the sun, it's not gonna go like you think it will go. I'm assuming you meant it seriously, not as a bit. Unless you did mean it as a bit. Because, fun fact, actually, the same reason why, like, throwing antimatter into black holes makes them more massive, for example. Fun curiosity, not that many people know about. If you chuck antimatter into a black hole, it becomes more massive, because black holes just care about energy. Because he was thinking so hard, lol. Yeah, actually, I was just... Actually, my head is always on fire. I just have like a comically large ice bucket. Login or password invalid? How could login or password be invalid? There we go, now it's valid. I'm professional. Which make it to delete? Oh, we're deleting a wooden pirate make it today. I have to delete these makers because I need to make space for the new ones. There was no way that's little make it, no. Oh, we're deleting American make it. Oh no, that was such a good make it. That was such a good make it. But oh well, all things have to come to an end at some point. And today we're replacing a hero, a patriot, a true American with an up cosplayer. Let's see. There we go. So silly looking. There we go. That's the silliest goose. The video uploaded? No way! Public as an instant premiere. Listen, here's the thing. I'm going to end the live stream and I will probably start a new live stream in hour and a half, probably, because then it will be technically the next day. So I might start live stream in an hour and a half, but for now I'm gonna end the stream because there's a video. There's a whole video just on YouTube. It's pretty late. I know it's late. That's why I'll send an hour and a half, because they'll be so late that will actually be early tomorrow. So that's what we're gonna do. In case anyone wants to see the video, here's a link. Get good rest. Oh, I will not. I will just keep walking. I will just keep walking on this stuff. Visibility premiere. Why isn't... No, it's not. It's unlisted for some reason. Well, doesn't matter. That was a short live stream, but, you know, video. So, I suppose for now, that'll be it. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.